So you can see the size, the massiveness of this video card. R9 390.
Is that thing turbocharged?
All right, so you can see the difference. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And last video, we actually installed the IceGiant ProSiphon Elite, and we left it with the 2 attached fans to it. We wanted to see what the temperatures were, and we kind of averaged around 70 C. I didn't have the time. I didn't want to rip out the video card, but we're going to rip it out today and add the other 2 fans and see if we see a difference in terms of temperature. We were averaging, we went up to like 71 C, 72 C once, and pretty much hovered around 71, 70 C, 69 C in that range. And we ran Cinebench R20 and only ran for a few seconds because it's so fast on this machine. So we're going to run it a couple times and see if we can get the temperature lower. So, but we're only going to see if it actually makes a difference when we add these 2 additional fans. So the purpose of this video is to find out if this is even worth it. If it doesn't change the temps on it, why bother adding additional noise to your case? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to install these 2 extra fans. We're going to remove the SupremeX 3090 video card so we can get to the location where we can put the screws in and then run the test. That's what this is all about. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to add those 2 additional fans right here, but we have to remove this beast of a video card. All right, I'm sure you guys are wondering, 64 gig, quad channel memory, Threadripper. So I have 128 gigs of memory. I'm sure you're probably curious. All right, so since this is in a push-pull configuration, so we're gonna, right now it's pulling. So the fans are blowing out this way, and then these fans are sucking it out. So we're gonna continue with that thought process, and we're going to continue. We're just going to mount those other 2 fans here, this one here, and this one here, and that should be perfect, like so. And I had to get that video card out so I can actually do this. So we will find out if this is a worthwhile upgrade by adding these 2 additional fans. And we're just about done. A couple more screws here. There we go. Now we have four fans connected. So let's go to the testing and see how well this thing does.
Right now we are idle. We're bouncing between 43C, 41C, 39C on idle. We're running all 4 fans right now. And where do you see this? We're going to run Cinebench right now. And here we go. Watch the temperature. You're going to knock your socks off. So we're 67C. Full load, 67C, 68C. So it looks like we're dropping down about 2.5 C. In some instances, 1 C with the other fans. I'm going to run this again over and over and over again. It's impressive. Remember, we're beating the crap out of this thing. Now I have the system set for silent for cooling. So it's going to be much quieter. It may get a little bit warmer in terms of temperature over the course, but it's not designed to do that. It's designed to keep it cool, and anything under 70 C is impressive regardless.
What did you just say?
So I'm kind of blown away. We're going to run this again. So it's definitely a good idea to install all 4 fans.
It is a fucking surprise.
I'm in awe in terms of performance of this.
So the conclusion is having 4 fans versus 2 fans doesn't make a world of difference. I guess the other 2 fans are there for a backup if something should happen to the other ones. But in terms of temperature change, it really doesn't change much at all. I didn't see anything from the tests we've done. I ran 2 Cinebenches both at the same time and increased the temperature about to where we were last time, but I ran both at the same time to try to hit the CPU a little harder. I didn't really notice much of a difference at all, to be honest with you. The only benefit, I guess, if you have 4 versus 2, if that 2 fail or any fan fails, you have something to back it up with. So it is a push-pull. So it's pushing from the bottom and pulling out top versus not having any of those and just pulling on top. But again, I didn't see a difference. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And why not join JoeteckTips and follow along. Get some perks. Take care, and we'll see you next time.